You won't believe my amazing living room makeover. Take a look at this living room. It's modern, tech-savvy, and full of personality. Every single detail was carefully planned to create a space that feels futuristic yet cozy. Want to know how I made it happen? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how I transformed an ordinary living room into this incredible space. But here's the twist. We're starting with the end result and working our way backward, step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who loves home design. Also, if you're interested in any of the products I'm about to share, check the links in the description to shop my favorites. Let's get started. The end result. Why this living room is special. This living room is more than just a place to hang out. It's a combination of style, technology, and comfort that works together seamlessly. From smart lighting that changes to fit the mood, to futuristic furniture that's as functional as it is beautiful, every element has a purpose. It's not just a room, it's an experience. But don't worry, you don't need to be an interior designer to create a space like this. I'll break down exactly how I planned and executed this transformation so you can do it too. Let's rewind and start from the top. Step 6, the final touches. Let's start with those little details that make the room feel complete. I added sculptures with clean, modern lines that give the space a futuristic vibe. The LED candles scattered around provide a warm glow, perfect for cozy evenings. And of course, I couldn't resist adding a few techie touches, like a wireless charging pad that doubles as a stylish accessory and a smart photo frame that rotates through my favorite pictures. These details might seem small, but they bring so much personality to the space. The best part? They're affordable and easy to integrate into any room. Step 5, the magic of lighting. Lighting is the unsung hero of any space. For this room, I wanted lighting that could do it all. Bright and energizing during the day, soft and calming at night, and even colorful for parties. I installed pendant lights that are sleek and modern, plus they're smart, so I can control them with my phone. The modular LED panels on the wall, they double as art and add an interactive element to the room. And don't forget the LED strips under the shelves. They're subtle, but they make the whole setup look polished and futuristic. If you've never tried layering your lighting, I highly recommend it. Step 4, furniture with a purpose. Next up, furniture. I wanted pieces that weren't just stylish, but also functional. My modular sofa is a game changer. It's not only comfortable, but also comes with hidden storage and built-in USB charging ports. It's perfect for someone like me who's always looking to keep things organized. The coffee table? It's a showstopper. It has a hidden mini fridge to keep drinks cold and built-in storage for remotes and books. And let's not forget the recliners. They're luxurious with massage and heating features that make movie nights feel like a spa day. These pieces don't just look good, they work hard too. Step 3. Flooring and rugs that stand out. Let's not forget the foundation of the room, the flooring. I chose a seamless gray laminate that reflects light beautifully, making the space feel even bigger. On top of that, I added layered rugs with textured patterns to create contrast. And here's the fun part. Some of these rugs light up when you step on them. It's futuristic, fun, and functional all at once. The combination of sleek floors and soft rugs creates the perfect balance of modern and cozy. It's all about finding the right mix for your space. And that's the foundation of this amazing living room makeover. But don't go anywhere. Part 2 starts right after this. We'll dive into the smart features, personal touches, and how I brought the atmosphere of this room to life. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who loves design, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more transformations like this. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In part 1, we dove into the foundation of my living room makeover, where I showed you the awesome furniture I picked out, how I transformed the lighting, and added some killer decor. If you missed it, definitely check that out first. But today we're taking things up a notch. Get ready as we explore the fun stuff, all the smart features, personal touches, and the cozy atmosphere that make my space feel like home. Let's jump right in. Step 7, adding personality to the space. So, on to the good stuff, adding some soul to the room. Every living room needs a personal touch, and I really wanted the space to reflect who I am. I kicked things off with some custom art pieces that are a mix of abstract and modern styles. They really pop against my neutral walls. My favorite has to be this holographic wall display. It's super eye-catching and even changes color depending on what time it is. Talk about a convo starter. I also wanted to blend digital and personal elements, so I snagged this amazing smart photo frame that cycles through pictures from my travels and precious family moments. It keeps my memories alive, and it's a great way to share stories when friends come over. Plus, I added a few unique sculptures that bring texture and depth to the room without stealing the spotlight from the other decor. This is where your personality should shine, folks. No matter if it's travel souvenirs, photos, or quirky items, throw in what makes you, you. Step 8. Smart features that change everything. Now, let's chat about tech, because honestly, no futuristic living room is complete without some smart features. My smart hub is like the command center for everything, with just a few voice commands. Yes, I'm talking about my trusty assistant. I can control the lights, close the curtains, or even jam to my favorite playlist. Speaking of those curtains, they're fully automated too. With just one command, I can let in the glorious sunshine or create a cozy vibe for those movie nights in. Absolute game changer. And don't get me started on the entertainment system. My TV is connected to the hub, paired with surround sound speakers that make every movie night feel like a blockbuster experience. Oh, and the coolest part? These smart features aren't just for convenience. They're eco-friendly too. The lights automatically dim at night, and my thermostat adjusts itself based on how chilly or warm it gets outside. Futuristic and energy efficient? Count me in. Step 9. Setting the perfect atmosphere. Okay, now that we have our tech set up, let's focus on creating the perfect atmosphere. For me, it all starts with scent. I use a smart diffuser that syncs with my daily routine. Think fresh citrus in the morning to wake me up, and calming lavender in the evening to help me wind down. It's like a little spa experience at home. And let's not forget about sound. I've got this amazing ambient speaker system that's totally hidden but fills the room with rich, immersive sound. Whether I'm hosting a party, catching up on my favorite podcast, or binge watching some shows, the audio experience is always top-notch. To balance all that tech, I made sure to include some cozy touches. Oversized blankets, plush throw pillows, and a textured area rug really make the room feel warm and inviting, even with all the high-tech stuff around. Bonus tip: the art of organizing your space. All right, let's talk organization. It's like the unsung hero of home decor. A clutter-free space makes everything feel more luxurious and intentional. I invested in smart storage solutions, like hidden compartments in my furniture and sleek bins to manage all those pesky cables and remotes. I styled my shelves with a perfect mix of functional and decorative pieces. I used the rule of 3 for grouping items, which creates a nice visual balance. And my absolute fave hack? Wireless charging stations that blend right into my decor. Say goodbye to messy cords. Bonus step: exploring futuristic trends for inspiration. If you're dreaming of a futuristic living room, don't be afraid to explore those trends that might seem a little out there. Think about integrating virtual reality zones, color-changing wall panels, or even furniture that can adjust its shape. While I didn't go all out, I picked the trends that fit my lifestyle and budget. Remember, futuristic design doesn't have to break the bank. Start small, like adding LED strips or upgrading one tech piece at a time. You'll be shocked at how even tiny changes can completely transform your space. And that wraps up my amazing living room makeover. From all the tech features to those personal touches, every decision has come together to create a space that feels modern, functional, and uniquely me. I hope this inspires you to create your own dream living room. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home transformation ideas. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking for design inspiration. Also, check out the description for links to all the products I used. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy designing. Bye for now.